Hi, my name's Stuart Caldwell. I'm with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Today we're going to look at the Crest Caribbean 250. Lots of neat features with this particular boat. There's lots of storage, as you can see. Down here, under all the seats, you've got plenty of storage. The seating is the deluxe vinyl. You also have built-in coolers. You also have movable cup holders that you can place anywhere within the boat. You've got the in-floor storage for this particular boat, along with the Fusion sound system. You got plenty of speakers throughout. You have a changing station that's in front of this captain's chair. You've got two captain's chairs on this boat. It also has a Simrad system at the helm. In the back, you have two recliners, plenty of storage underneath the seats. They fold down. Very comfortable. On the sides of the loungers, you also have plenty of storage that's for dry storage for wallets, phones, things of that nature. This particular boat also has the Mercury 300 engine. It's white to complement the sides and the interior of this particular boat. And then at the very back, you've got the swim ladder, as well as more storage underneath the loungers. Again, my name's Stuart Caldwell. Please come by Beaufort store at 5800 Lanier Islands Parkway to check out a Crest pontoon.